Let's compare my Aeris air purifier, which you can see right here, to my Dreo air purifier. So both of these are HEPA purifiers, which means they will purify small particulates out of the air. You get really good coverage for smoke, for allergens, for dust, and you can actually see with the Aeris here, the air intake is at the bottom, and it's pulled in so much dust on here that you can actually see it building up. Now the nice thing is that it has this removable fabric cover. It's like a pre-filter, so I can actually take that off and wash it in the washing machine and then put it back on this purifier. But overall, you can see it's doing a great job on the dust there. Both of the purifiers are smart. This one, I think, has a really cool design. It's very kind of creative in the way that this is set up. And you have this circular filter on the inside. It blows the air out the top, and it just looks really neat. But there's no screen on here, and the controls are a little bit complicated. Now the Dreo, again, also a smart purifier, and it's also a HEPA. But you can see the design is like a little more classic. It's not that really high concept circle that looks beautiful. It's got a screen on the front though, so we can see the air quality measurement. Both again are smart purifiers, but this one just gives you a little bit more feedback on there, and then you have some pretty simple controls on the top. So they can both purify the air in a medium-sized room, probably a little bit more than you need for a small bedroom. And I think, both of them are great purifiers. Both Dreo and Aeris sent me these purifiers to try out, so thanks for that. Overall, I would say if you really like to have a lot of data, go with the Dreo because you get the screen and you're able to get a little bit more on there. If you want something that looks really nice in your room, then go with the Aeris because I think it just is really cool looking.